today I'm making my favorite food of ever. Indomie is my first time making it and I'm very excited. And my mom is going to help me with it. She's going to tell me what to do, how to make it. And I'm very so excited to make it myself. The first time. First, we need Indomie, carrots, pepper, and onions, and stew, and sausages, and sardines.
Mom is going to be helping out because, of course, Gina cannot do everything by herself, but she's going to be doing the important things. Like she's going to be doing everything cooking, but I'm going to be helping with cutting and
this thing
and anything fire.
What?
Yeah, so
There's gonna be fire.
Where is the fire to cook?
So the water is inside the pot and it's also hot. But you always have to ask the girl whether you want to cook all by yourself, because you might touch it.
Yeah, the water is boiling and there's oil here.
Yes.
For what?
Sausages.
Yeah, we're gonna
put the stew inside the Indomie so it can make red Indomie.
Yeah, I want it to
Do
be.
we also have black Indomie?
No, we don't have black Indomie.
What about rainbow Indomie?
No.
How about noodle soup?
Yeah, we have noodle soup. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And I think I may have to eat this. No, I'm not going to eat Indomie. Indomie makes me sick. You know that, right?
Yeah. Mom always likes Indomie, but she doesn't have to take it because she thinks that she might,
You know what?
She used the spoon.
Why is that how to cook? And that's okay. Stir it. All right. It's mixing up. We're gonna cover it again. So cover the pot.
Okay.
Be scared. Nothing is going to happen to you. I'm here. So don't be scared, okay?
Okay, don't be scared.
I'm going to be opening the
Indomie.
Yeah, so I'm going to be doing the cutting.
Cut. Well, I'm doing the pudding.
Yeah, you're gonna be doing the pudding.
And the sauce pudding too.
Hold this.
Okay.
All right. And put the sauce. Gina is doing a great job, guys.
Done. The other one, please.
You're wasting the spice. See what Gina is doing. Our oil is hot.
Hot.
So what do you do?
Put the sausage.
Yeah. You have to
And
be very careful. Yeah.
in that place.
Yes.
Okay.
Should I do it for you?
No.
So guys, I'm doing the sausage because Gina is scared. I don't want her to throw it. Gina, don't throw it. I do it. Put it.
Whoa! It was scary. And that's not good. It's not even scary at all. It was going to make me hot, boiling hot.
Alright. I'm going to be taking care of this. I'm going to be opening it for her and she's going to add it to the Indomie, okay? Is it hot? Alright. Just keep it.
Mom, should we put the indomie?
Oh yes.
Not yet. You have to stir it with the fork. I can't wait to make it myself. It's also a little bit chicken. No! You have to eat everything yourself.
So right here, the sausages are ready.
Yeah, but one is really
I'm going to be removing them.
Yeah.
And just
Dad, I'm cooking the indomie myself today.
I'm hungry.
Hey. Whoa. Oh look, the oil is spreading out. Look, I can see the water.
yeah.
I can put the sausage there. Yeah.
Put it.
One down, two to go.
Two to go. Two down. One more to go. And
The last one.
you're going to gently, just move it around.
Go around.
Yeah.
No more coming out.
It's okay. I'll cover the lid.
So today we're bringing our cutleries, our cups, and our plates, and when the food is ready, we'll put it in our plates. And also our bottle.
Careful.
I remove the lid.
Gently. I think no. We can use our spoon now. Take.
Okay. I should.
Let me help.
Okay. Because I really need the help all the help I can get.
I think we still need a little bit of water.
A little bit of water. But can I put it in the cup? That's all.
Yeah. Oh. It's okay. There you go.
Mix it around. And put a little bit of more.
So we're just going to leave it like this to cook.
Okay.
I'll bring the other plate closer. Put that one behind.
I feel like small, right? A little bit more.
Have I finished it up?
No, I think I can handle it myself.
Alright. You're making it look ugly.
Mom,
Don't
is
do
it
that
enough?
to your- No, put more.
Mom,
Put your sausages.
look at this. Look at it. One. Mom, three. Three.
Alright.
But the most is for me, right?
Mm. So,
How could we were cooking?
yeah. Take your food to the dining. Be careful.
I can even
Is it not yummy?
And the
So-
best part was when you were putting the sardine and the indomie and the sauce and pepper.
Yeah, and the best part was when you put the indomie.
Yeah.
And when you were scared of putting the sausage. Sausages, yeah.
That's the best part. Who's that skinny? I'm not even scared.
You were scared, Gina.
There's something up there.
Yes, I did.
And the water is bubbling like the one that we just made. This really is a delicious dinner.
Yeah,
I mean,
lunch.
lunch.
Ife and Gina, the Indomie, is it a thumbs up or a thumbs down? Why do you have to look at Gina?
Just like Indomie. 2 thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
That means a great big one.
Yeah.
Or 4 thumbs up.
You did a great job.
And it was not really easy, but I still liked it. Even though I was scared of some little things, I still liked to make it.
Yeah.
And that's how you make Indomie. Au revoir and bon appetit. Au revoir and bon appetit. Did I say bon appetit that well?
Yes.
Yeah, even though you don't say well doesn't mean that you have to try again. Bon appetit. Like this. No.